Nobody knows if I am married, and it is not something I want to involve people in. People will just see me popping kids. I don't want to share my private life with the public. My people, this na wetin wey our Nollywood actress Halima Abubakar gets for talk after wey she be interviewed by Punch News, my people. Anyways, make we dive for the next matter about this Bobrisky colleague. That is James Brown, aka Princess of Nigeria. She talk say, I went to heaven and came back. Moving forward, I will be giving my life to Christ because Jesus loves me. Hey, my people. I hear well or I know hear. She talk say, my people, she went to heaven and come back. In fact, say she don't decide to give her life to Christ. Wait till we know, my people. Make we dive for the next matter. Now about this our Nigerian politician, as in Dino Melaye, one of the senators where they get for Nigeria. My people, oh, they don't call them out. Una sabi say this our politician in love to the showcase in body, in love to the showcase wetin get. Now so they don't call her out to say we just want you to pay the balance of this car since 2019. Is it not too much to ask? Anyway, guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, anytime you take come across this video. I'm KONGOSSA and Gossip TV, where we do celebrity gossip and social media wahala. If not the first time this way you come across this video, grab your seat and sit down. Let's talk about this matter. So as soon as sabi, my people, we get cross-dressers there for Nigeria, as in popular ones. This James Brown one that they see, it done the knack chest, it done the knack chest with Bobrisky. Bobrisky don't go out. Una sabi na James Brown don't come with his own matter of recent. He say him go to heaven. He see Jesus Christ, and because of that, he don't come back. He don't decide as from now he go to live in life now for Jesus Christ. Anyway, my people, make I not too chook mouth put. Make I live una, my people. Make una listen by una self.
Hi, darling, it's your girl James Brown, the Princess of Africa. So it's been a while I do a talking video. That's because I wasn't feeling fine. So basically, yeah, at that moment where I wasn't feeling fine, I went to heaven and I came back. And I feel like sharing my experience. And I know that from that, I knew that God really loves me. So whoever I've offended or whoever offended me, I'm forgiving you. I'm not interested in fighting anybody. I mean, there's no gain in fighting because there's hell and there's hellfire. And moving forward, I'll be giving my life to Christ. Yes, I know it's funny, but I'm proud to give my life to Christ. I mean, Jesus loves me. So from the sickness, after sleeping, I mean, oh God.
So my people, una don hear wetin James Brown get to talk. Make una write for comment section wetin una think about this James Brown new life which he don't give unto Christ. While make we dive for this matter for our Nollywood actress Halima Abubakar, where she talk say people go just they see her they pop up kids. They not go know if she is married or not. Say she don't decide to keep her relationship or her marriage out of the public, as in her private life na no go area. Me everybody stay their lane when it comes to her private life. My people, she continue say, in showbiz I can give out something different aside from my family. Everyone must not show off their husband or boyfriends. Some people are always ready to crash beautiful relationships, and I will not give anyone room for that. I had a similar situation with an ex, but the man was foolish and childish to have listened to. Now say yes. My people, una don't listen. They say once beaten, twice shy. As in she don't experience am before. They talk say say when they bite you with one tooth or they join two teeth take bite you, if you see mouth they come make you run though. My people, now wetin that our Nollywood actress Halima Abubakar dey take tell us say she don't feel the pain before and she not ready for feel that pain again, as in she go keep her relationship out of the public. That is, people go just dey see her dey pop up kids. We no go know if she marry or not. But my people, make you no forget say nothing is hidden under the sun. No. Now so our other Nollywood actress, wey we no go talk her name, she too be think say she dey keep her matter until a fellow blogger come bring out the matter for outside. Make you not take day too sure, because you know you are not an island. Anyways, my people, I see this matter, I reason her out, because say she talk say she be get ex wey e don, the ex be take foolish and be childish for take listen to wetin people dey talk, and na so her relationship take scatter just like that, and she don learn from her mistake and she no go do am again. Anyways, my people, make una write for comment section wetin una think about this matter. Make we dive for the next matter, wey na about this our Nigerian politician, as in Dino Melaye. Una sabi say yes, na true say all politicians for Nigeria, or almost all, my people, they get as they dey do body. They say youths are leaders of tomorrow. But my people, we know they see the key of tomorrow, because it get as it there, those leaders them na age people, and una sabi say this our Nigerian politicians, so it be amongst those people they still give youth hope, say say na una be leaders of tomorrow. And una sabi say na person will like to show body, na person will like to show achievement, na person will like to showcase in wealth. He don't come out come showcase in on a Rolls Royce. So my people, as it talk say, as usual, talk your rubbish while I cruise the RR. My people, guys, wetin happen afterwards? That is Unique Motors. That is people they sell car. They come out, they say, sir, you still have outstanding balance to pay. Unique Motors, all efforts to reach you and Moses proof abortive. Please pay up, sir. Hey, my people, as in this matter no easy. Now just under a comment section, they just can't give am bomber to bomber like that. Say he never pay. That is the talk say he allegedly owe 14.5 million naira for take balance the RRA. They claim say he na own. My people, what do not think? I see this one, I say no, I must bring her out. Can't talk, make we put mouth for day. And as soon as una sabi Dino na, he no dey sit quiet. Na so him to come bomber to bomber after wey people don talk say make him pay he no fit owe people debt make him pay people money. My people, he don come out yesterday come give answer to all of this. He talk say no be only Unique Motor, if I am really owing you, you know what to do. I been a social media, you sell the imaginary car. All of una way they use my name promote your obscure business. God know una address but for this unique nonsense, my lawyers go reach you. You dial trouble. Hey, my people, that is Senator Dino don't tell Unique Motors say na trouble you take dial. As in, make you no carry baskets go for stream, because you no go fit fetch water. Na wey Dino, our Senator Dino Melaye don't talk say this Unique Motor guy, make you know say my lawyers they come to you, but the senator he gets the right for talk what he want talk, because even the Unique Motor sef he don't come out he can't talk say we dey wait for those lawyers, so he don't bring out matter, he don't bring out their private chats. Anyways, my people, no be the reason that would they talk. I go see you for my next video, because I go leave this one for here. Make una write for comment section what una think about the matter. Make una no forget for subscribe, for like, and for share the video, and I'll see you next time. Love you all. Choose.